Our country will be proud.
Yes, sir.
You won't just let this go, right?
I want... Guys? Guys, this is for you.
More pranks. You have to prove you're ready for this, Casey.
No toys, this is banned.
She's so gorgeous. Hold it for a sec.
Why did you do this?
It's not me.
I have proof. Punished.
Wrong move, Casey.
I'm watching you. So, let me check. Go. Freeze.
Hi, Casey.
What are you hiding there? Your backpack.
I have to go.
Gotcha. Stupid pranker.
Watch where you're going!
Now you definitely want to leave. Where are my handcuffs?
Sorry.
It's not over yet.
My love. She must never see this. This will be fun.
Why isn't it working?
What are you doing here?
Flash of the use.
Hello, Mrs. Fartini?
Here you are.
Someone is pranking us.
I know, and I think...
What's going on here?
I can't explain.
Bye.
I follow your ick. You won't hide from me. Here you are. I'll get you this time, Rick.
How is it going, Casey?
Everything is under control.
Ouch! What?
You won't hide anything from me. Tell me. And this is your job.
No!
Hidden live ones.
I told you!
It can be. His backpack.
No, it's mine!
What? Your hands did this.
It's another person!
No. Oh no, Mr. Jones.
Casey, you are on probation!
Oh, I can't believe
Casey,
it.
I like you!
Sheriff!
Worst sheriff ever? I'll prove everyone I've got it.
Hey, Sheriff. I know who did this, but first...
I don't take bribes.
As you wish. Stop! What can you offer? Tell us what you know. I saw a man. He has mustache, Kit Kats, glasses. That's all I know. Go.
Why did you help?
Because you're the best sheriff ever.
Principal Jones, have you seen this man?
Nope.
Huh? There is some dust.
Ooh, almost caught me, huh?
Stupid sheriff.
From now on, you're free.
Thank you, Principal.
But you have to help me first.
Okay.
Now I have downloaded it and we'll know who's pranking. Huh? Rick?
Top secret. You can't flash the shame.
Stop! I'll arrest you.
I was framed by him.
Huh? Uh-huh.
Principal? But there is no one here, liar.
The pranker got caught. You got the wrong guy this time. Huh? Huh. This is your last chance. Huh? Oh! Try to solve this.
I found the pranker. IB? Catch me, Casey! Time to investigate!
Yes!
Ow! Busted! Too slow? I'm bad, Sheriff.
We'll find him together.
Okay.
Whoa! I like this red guy.
Who is the pranker?
Oh my God!
Huh?
It's the principal.
No, someone is trying to fraud him.
You know what? I'll arrest him myself.
I will help you. Let's do this.
Wow! Whoa! Casey, let's go. Casey!
I know, right?
There's a scanner. Person identified. Yeah!
I'll go first.
Stop! Let me do it. Laser off. Come on!
Nice.
What? 4 pranks.
Whoa. I can't believe it.
We have to arrest him.
Yeah, you're right.
Huh?
Wait.
Cool prank, right?
We'll have to arrest you.
We have proof. Good job, guys. Now you're ready to be a sheriff.
Huh?
Oh.
So it was a test.
Yeah. I am proud of you. Huh?
Continue.
Is suspicious of...
Mom, what are you doing here?
You forgot the lunch, honey.
Thanks. Wow.
Continue.
Oh, Steve.
Do us a favor?
Okay.
You are welcome.
Yeah. Ah. Huh?
What?
Hi, Mom.
Steve, it's creative. Good job, Steve.
Thanks.
What?
Yeah, bro.
Mr. Smith, I do want to sit next to him.
Okay, no problem.
Mr. Smith, can you repeat it?
Silence! Shush!
Love chemistry. The test is done. What? What are you doing? I'm the best student.
Not anymore.
What? No.
Well. Mwah. Mom? Mom, are you here? What is it?
What's that?
This.
Next. I want more. Next.
Can I get answers for a milkshake?
Milkshake. Anyway, fine.
Yay!
Perfect.
Let's go!
Let's party!
That's enough. You'll regret it. Mrs. Stone, look, it's Steve. Steve? What? Yours?
Steve, you are expelled! But Mom... I can't believe it.
Steve! You forgot. Bye. Finally. I'm so sorry.
See you, Steve.
Bye, bro. I don't believe it.
Watch where you going!
Okay. Ew! For real?
Sorry, I missed.
Oh, hello, newbie. Looking good.
Time for the test. Out!
Bon appetit.
Ew! What's this?
Move on. Thanks, bro.
Want a sandwich?
So, wanna go on a date with me?
Sorry, I only date excellent students.
Can you help me?
Okay.
If you're blushing when you see him,